performance this afternoon. That is the most important thing for me.
Great reception for the sides. It is an extraordinary backdrop to what should be a fascinating match between two sides with two coaches who just love to attack. It's the
far and wide representing their countries, like Colombia's David Ospina, who last started a Premier League game 1 year minus 1 week ago. Petr Cech still out with a calf injury picked up at West Brom. All of the back four away with their countries too, but only Laurent Koscielny, who turned out twice for France, got on the pitch in senior internationals. Alex Oxlade-Chamberlain and Aaron Ramsey returned with injuries from their international games, so Francis Coquelin gets back in the side after being benched at West Brom, and so too does Mesut Ozil, who proved his fitness with an appearance for Germany. Neither Theo Walcott nor Manchester-born Danny Welbeck involved with England over the past couple of weeks. Willy Caballero faced his Arsenal for the first time since making his debut against them in the Community Shield in 2014. Jesus Navas for Yaya Toure is Pep Guardiola's only change from the draw against Liverpool. That's because Kevin De Bruyne, who missed Belgium's internationals with a groin problem, is fit to return for his club, as is Raheem Sterling, who came off for England against Lithuania with a sore back. Trying to slip Sterling, and it rebounds off Raheem Sterling, but he would have known from his angle it wasn't going in. We couldn't be quite so sure up here. It's a long way away, looking for Welbeck. And another deflection, and this time a more dangerous one to the Sane chasing. He's got the better of Bayadine. Sane round the goalkeeper and gives Manchester City a lead inside 5 minutes. Simple for City, really. And Arsene Wenger will be absolutely furious. And it won't help the mood in the stadium, that's for sure. David Silva, De Bruyne to hit it first time and hit the post. Silva. Has it there. Into Ozil. City could be in trouble here. Ozil trying to roll the defender.
Yeah, it's good from Arsenal. The show more.
Mustafi climbed high, and a willing foil from left back in towards Ozil. Set up for Sanchez. Ball was played. Andre Mariner had a good angle on it. City only at the second attempt get it away. Xhaka. Ozil. Sanchez tries to bend it. Walcott. Still Walcott. He smuggled it in. And Arsenal are level. That road to recovery gets a little longer, a little wider. Comes out to David Silva. Now Aguero. City are back in front. Sergio Aguero found the angle. It's a hammer blow to Arsenal, having worked so hard to get level. Fernandinho, Jesus Navas, Aguero going towards the near post. Aguero needed to glance it rather than really butt it.
You're absolutely right, it's too easy.
Mustafi going towards it. He got it, and Arsenal have levelled again. For a third time. And but for Ospina, they would have done through Fernandinho. Walcott trying to play a 1-2 with Sanchez. And it's led... given with a gilt-edged chance here. But not quite the conviction.
No, I mean, that's so poor.
Quick corner trying to catch Arsenal out. David Silva, Bayern, Iwobi. So much will around this. It's finished here at the Emirates.